Today's front clip, 2021 Infiniti QX50. We're in the pre-wrap stages. Headed to Chicago with this one. This will be a typical example of what you can expect if you're looking for a QX50 from us. You see the dashes in this one. Not always the case. This one probably has scratches and marks on it, so not up to our standards, so we don't pull it out to save the time. The customer gets a freebie if they can use it. That's not always promised. Pretty clean front end. Always remind people the bottom lip of these covers, especially the textured portions, oftentimes have some marks and some scratches. There's a little bit on this one as well. Nothing major, but worth noting. Get you under the hood and show you what's included. As I'm going into the hood, we do point little things out, and on this one, it looks terrible in the pictures because of the lighting. Hard to see from a little bit of distance, but a little bit of a mark here, a little scuff on that chrome grille. We would consider that normal wear and tear. Living at the front of the car, if you're a vehicle part, pretty rough place to live. Flick the light on for you. So rad condenser, fans, washer tank, overflow bottle, splash shields. That plastic bag has yet to be uncoiled. There's air box and piping, fuse boxes over there. Some motor mounts left behind in this one. That's not always promised as well. Insulation underneath. We're looking for things like signs of repaint, signs of body work. Of course, anything structural that we see, we're gonna point out. So the frame horns will have been inspected. Cowling is included. Fender liners. If you're picking it up, this is how it will look, just sitting on a skid, no protective covering. If we ship it like we are with this one, it will have a custom built framework and shrink wrap around it. You can check out some of my other videos and see exactly what I'm talking about. That's the stage that this one is headed to, is the pre-wrap. So my shipping guy Don's going to come back here and do his magic, and we'll get it on its way. If you have any questions, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can also find me on all the social channels. Just look up Jared Weber Brothers. Thanks.